day 6. This, by far, has been the best cruise ever. And guess where I am? Just to you. Because we're closed. Let's go see what's for sale.
So we remember today we have a full team of officers.
That parade was great. Let's go check out the photos I've been taking throughout the cruise.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to John City.
Check this out. Don't put this on the video. Hey, we made it to another dinner. Cheers.
Hello, everybody, good evening.
Had a wonderful time. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's day 6. And I'm having such a wonderful time. This, by far, has been the best cruise ever so far. I'm about to go get some coffee. You know my daily plan now. Get some coffee, sit down for a minute, and go grab some breakfast. And I want you to come with me. Well, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Guess where I am? I'm in my favorite spot, having my favorite I'm so grateful. Of course, I was going to come and sit and talk to you and chat with you, at least from this space. This has been such a great cruise so far. I've really enjoyed the excursions. I've been engaged in a little more of my activities than I did. I think the last cruise, went and checked out the spa area, and actually I won a bottle of champagne in the spa area. I think it may have been night 1, the first night, first day on the cruise. I won a bottle of champagne.
How was the same having on that?
So 2 more days of this wonderful view you see out the window. This amazing view. Look at that. Just amazing. And I'm sitting here and I'm making it mine, all mine, for at least the next hour or so until I get to this mountain of whipped cream. It's so good, but I know you'll help me. You'll help me eat it down, right? You help me? I know you will. This is the dessert before you get to the amazing part of the drink. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Let me see if I can get it. There you go. Sweet. First thing on my stomach this morning is this sweet whipped cream. Shame on me. So what we're going to do today, my traveling friends and soon to be traveling friends, that's what I'm going to figure out as I sip on this American Spirit. And there's plenty of events. And then tonight I have, I think it's the Divas, Total Divas, I believe tonight. And there's just so much to see and do, and shopping. I shopped yesterday. I did. I bought a couple of things. Hopefully you've seen that already. But, so it's just all been wonderful. So I'm just going to relax and enjoy these last 2 days of these wonderful, amazing waves. Cheers to you. All right, because we're closed, let's go see what's for sale in the Plaza Mirabilia and what the event of the day is featuring. Event of the day Valentino bags. They're on sale. Oh, that turquoise is so good. Morning. How are you? Good. Yes. Oh, I bought this last night. It was gorgeous. All these bags are beautiful. I love the color. Now, we saw this one the other day. That one's really cute. I wish it was in silver. It's really cute. These are nice. I saw these last time. These guest wallets. They're half off. They're crowded. These are very nice.
They have a good design and actually also have a good quality. I bought in the French.
So cute. This one's really cute. Hey, I get to get my charms, and I think I'm wrapping it up today. I think I'm getting them all. This is good. Yay, I almost forgot. Thank you. This is what they look like on the bracelet. Cuteness.
Hey everybody, my name's Neil, I'm your cruise director, and it's a pleasure to be here today. And a huge thank you to every single one of you that came out this morning to support our incredible crew here on board MSC Meridian. Now there is over 1,650 crew members working here together, and they're all from 51 different nationalities. And if you also look above you now, you'll see the flags representing every single crew member. Come on, Dorothy. Of officers, hotel director who oversees 1,300 crew members from Romania, Dana is with us. We also have members from our farm team with us, our excursions team, our photographers.
Oh, that parade was great. But hey, let's go check out the photos I've been taking throughout the cruise and check out which ones that I'm going to buy, because I don't think I'll take any more formal portraits between now and arriving in New York in 2 days. So come with me. Let's check out these photos.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to January.
Buffet. I just finished having a great lunch, light lunch, but I am also enjoying now a cappuccino, and it's amazing, and I'm enjoying this view. Look at that. It's just amazing. It's an amazing view. Oh, I wish I could just put it in a bottle and take it back home with me, but I can't. So I'm enjoying the cappuccino. And I've gotten the attention of someone, apparently. This is the second cappuccino he's brought me, and normally they don't serve you in the buffet area. Oh well. to another dinner after the end of an amazing, wonderful day. And I just wanted to say cheers.